Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to use standby on iOS 17. The first thing what you have to do is you just need to tap on the settings. Now from here you have to keep scrolling, and now you will be able to find standby. Tap on this one, and as you can see the standby is turned off. You have to turn this on. Turn on the standby. So here you have to keep both night mode and standby, both you have to turn on, and also you have to parallelly keep in mind you should not, if this is selected, if auto lock is selected, you have to do this, you have to undo this, and that's what you have to turn off this orientation. Once afterwards you have to go back. Now once after that you need to plug the charger to your mobile. You have to this one, plug it. Now you need to keep this in the landscape mode, and you have to lock this. Now as you can see we got the standby. Now you just need to tap over here. Now you can see that this works like a charm. Now you can see all the widgets and all those things over here. This is how you can use the standby on your iOS 17. Now as you can see we are in the standby. Even if you move ahead you can see all these options, and you can press over here. You will be getting tons of options, like you can add, even if you wanted to add something you can add it. In the same way you can go for over here, go to the done over here. Once you add it, you can also move to the next, where you will be getting few more options like this. So this is how you can use the standby even when you're using this, and this is how you can use this particular feature over here, and this is what you have to do. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to use standby on iOS 17. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.